Sherry, and welcome to Story Pirates University. Today, we're going to use adaptation to create a brand new science fiction alien.
Science fiction? Wait, no, Sherry, I know that fiction means a story that's completely made up, but what does science have to do with it?
I'm so glad you asked, Eric. Science fiction is a genre or a type of story that involves a lot of science, like adventures through space, amazing inventions that might be real someday, or even more far-out ideas like time travel. Now, some of the best science fiction are based on real science fact. So, for our alien, we're gonna head out to the galaxy, to our solar system, for some real inspiration.
Whoa, this place is freezing. Where are we?
A moon of the planet Neptune called Triton. Triton is one of the coolest objects in the solar system. Literally, it has surface temperatures that reach negative 391 degrees Fahrenheit.
Is it snowing?
Oh, yeah, those are from Triton's ice volcanoes.
Whoa, these are real, actual facts. I mean, this would be an incredible setting for a story, but it'd have to be a story without characters. How can anything survive in a place like this?
That is the exact question we need to ask to come up with our alien. So to create details for this character, we need to look at something we see in science called adaptation. An adaptation is something about a living thing's body that makes it good at existing in its environment.
Oh, like how on Earth, things that live in the water have fins to help make swimming easier.
Exactly, fins are an adaptation. But remember, we're writing science fiction, so we should consider the real facts about a place like Triton and then add the fiction by imagining creative adaptations an alien would need to have to live here.
Well, they'll definitely need something for this cold. Oh, how about they're covered in 5 layers of fur, and their hair has flames on it to help keep them warm. And also, they wouldn't want to lose each other in all the snow, so they have neon fur.
Don't forget, we also have long necks to see over all of these ice volcanoes.
Wait, are you an alien?
Wait, are you an Earthling? I thought you were something from fiction.
Wait, can I have a layer of fur? They have 5 layers, they'll be all right.
Now it's your turn. Create your own science fiction alien. Start by learning some real facts about a real place in our solar system. Maybe it's a planet or even a moon. Then imagine some creative adaptations an alien would need to live there. We'll see you next time. Bye!